Thank you everyone for having the patience. Our speaker is with us. We are going to start our session. Hello, is the audience with me?
Guys, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
okay, fine, fine. A very good morning to one and all, and I hope you all are safe at your home. On behalf of Mangalmay Institute of Management and Technology, I, Dr. Anshu Goel, likes to take this opportunity to invite our distinguished speaker, Mr. Rahul Jain, Director BizWiz Learning, Dr. Tushar Kanti, Director MIMT Faculty, and students and faculty members who had joined in the national webinar. Mr. Rahul is the director and licensee of LMI India. Uh, LMI means Leadership Management International. This is the world's largest professional development company, which is present, showing its presence in the 85 countries. Mr. Rahul Jain is a thorough leader, and he have a command on the leadership as well as on the business simulations and venture planning. He is also a mentor of IIM Ahmedabad, CIIE. Rahul Jain is the alumnus of MDI Gurgaon. He has mentored many organizations as a potential transformation specialist. His course is also listed in Udemy. We intend to provide an interactive 1 hour online session which have to be on the business to own the business acumen using management simulations and discussion which will enhance our entrepreneurship and employability skills and will be proved as a job simulator. It is also going to help us to learn and to grow the startups. Now I request Dr. Tushar Kanti, Director MIMT Greater Noida, for a welcome speech. Over to you, sir, Tushar sir.
Good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
It's a
sir.
nice pleasure to welcome all of you who are present here, as well as I welcome Mr. Rahul Jain, who has spared his valuable time to motivate you all and to give us enhancement in the knowledge of you all. I welcome him. I welcome Rahul Jain. I welcome to all the participants who are present here. I also welcome and thankful to Dr. Anshu Goel. Hello. Yeah. I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I hope this lecture will definitely enhance or it will give a boost to your career as well as the skills of entrepreneurship. I welcome again Mr. Rahul Jain. Thank you.
Rahul sir, I request you please carry on the session.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am,
Sir?
and I'm really happy to be here with all of you. Am I audible and is
Yeah,
my
sir.
screen visible?
Yeah, exactly, sir. Your
Yes, sir.
screen is also visible and you are perfectly audible. And
Okay, thank you.
I
So,
hope it could be a
namaskar,
little.
everybody. Yeah, namaskar, everybody. It's my pleasure to be here, and thank you, Professor Anshu, for such a nice introduction. Thank you, Mangalmay Institute and the top management, Tushar ji, and other administrative staff for supporting this initiative for upliftment of students' learning. So आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आप लोगों के बीच में आके, and thank you to the lovely audience which is here. Now I will be starting this session, which is very interesting. It is about play more, learn more, blueprint to enhance business acumen using management simulations. Yeah, this looks very interesting that you play more and also learn more. Unlike ट्रेडिशनली भी से कि कम कि खेलो कम और पढ़ो ज्यादा, लेकिन यहाँ पे आप खेलेंगे भी ज्यादा और समझेंगे भी ज्यादा. So let's understand how. We'll start with a very simple example, with a very simple case study here. अभी आपके सामने मैंने कुछ squares दिखाए हैं. Can you tell how many number of squares are there in front of you? Yeah, I have started in a different 16.
16.
No, I think
16.
there are more squares. कुछ ज्यादा squares
Sir, yes.
से ज्यादा है. Anybody can guess?
Sir, 21.
Okay, 21. Can there be more than 21? Because if you add the
32. No, sir. 32.
22.
yeah, okay.
32.
So thank you for your participation. Here we have got around say 30 squares. If you add the four corners of the group, then there are 20, and then add the center group of 4, then it becomes 21. And then you need to add the 4 by 4, which is 1 square. So in total, if you see, 1 by 1 is 16 squares, 2 by 2 9 squares, 3 by 3 4 squares, 4 by 4 1. So there is total 30 squares. So what do you learn from this activity? Yeah, I will name the person and the person will speak. Yeah, Shivani, what do you learn from this activity? Or Abhimanyu? Sanyogita, anybody here who can tell me what
Yes,
you
sir.
learn? Yeah, what do you learn from this activity? What are the key learnings? That we need to always keep an open mind, because पहले दिमाग में आ रहा था 16 ही है, लेकिन जब हम उसके बारे में डीपली सोचने लग गए तो वो आया कि 30
sir.
है. So there is always more potential.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
decide on only half the options and do the
Sir,
out of box
me-
thinking. So that is the learning. Now I want to come to this another important point, that we all are facing many challenges, but then we need to use this out of box thinking to address these challenges, like we have done in the square exercise. जैसे square exercise में हमने out of box thinking दिखाई थी. अभी मैं आपसे पहले ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ, what are the key challenges that you are facing? Now those who can't participate, they can note down in their notepad. So keep a notepad or a paper handy जिसमें आप अपने points note कर सकते हैं, so that this becomes an interactive session and you start applying the points that we have discussed after the webinar itself. So what are the key challenges that you are facing as a student? Yeah, Shivani or Abhimanyu, one of you can speak. What are the key challenges that you are facing? Yeah. Any student can speak out here. What are the key challenges? क्या major challenges face करते हैं आप as a student? Or I want to ask faculties also, what are the key challenges that they face as a faculty? Any one faculty, say Dr. Munish Kumar.
Yes, sir. Basically, yes, sir. I can hear you.
Yeah.
Basically, what we are facing nowadays is that whatever the latest things which are coming and that we should impart, we should give to all our students all the knowledge. That is the basic thing which is required. Whatever we are teaching it through the books, that is not at par with the requirement of the industry.
Yeah, very well said. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
That's the key challenge that we as a faculty are facing, and the students or an entrepreneurs are facing these kind of challenges which is written in front of you. I'll explain bit by bit. One of the major challenges that we are unable to realize our full potential. जो हम जॉब पाना चाहते हैं या जो हम अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं, most of us are unable to do that. and we are not able to have the startup successfully. अपना अगर अपना बिजनेस करना चाहते हैं तो हम उसमें सक्सेस होने में टाइम लगता है या कई बार नहीं भी होते हैं. Unable to experience and apply the concepts. Then another challenge is that we don't have a platform where we can test our assumptions of starting up, and but we don't pay any penalty. ऐसा कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है, बिकॉज अगर हम कोई स्टार्टअप करते हैं तो हमें जो है हार्ड एंड मनी जो है वो अपना यूज करते हैं, एंड देयर इज अ रिस्क ऑफ लूजिंग दैट हार्ड एंड मनी. And then there's another challenge of lack of personalized learning, because as a faculty we teach 50 students, 60 students at one go. So there's lack of personalized learning. Now faculty is also not in the fault, because उनके पास पूरा batch आता है and they don't have so much of time to address individually. In the same way, but as a student, I want that we should have that personalized learning. तो इन चीजों को हम कैसे टैकल कर सकते हैं? Let us understand it. There are ways to overcome these challenges, but how to overcome these challenges? Let's discuss about that. One of the major point of discussion today is about Play More, Learn More blueprint, which will help you in tackling these challenges. Especially the management simulation part is very important. Now, management simulation is very interesting because it's like a kind of a mobile game, but it's not a social game. ये एक social game नहीं है, ये एक business game है, जो कि हमें बड़े easily सिखाता है business को करने के तरीके, जो मैं आपको अभी आगे भी बताऊंगा. Now इसमें और case study, जैसे all of us are exposed to case study method. Now case study और simulation में ये major फर्क है कि in simulation you just don't tell the options, but you also know about the outcomes. Case study is limited. Case study is a very good method, but it is limited to just the decisions, and we don't know what will be the outcome of those decisions. But through simulation, you are able to understand the outcomes, and then you can further evaluate that how have you performed as per your decisions, as per your plan, because here software will give you the feedback. And in our simulation, which I will show you, there is an inbuilt business advisor also, which will also give you the feedback, and the faculties and the facilitators and mentors are there to give you the feedback. So there is a 360-degree feedback to you, which helps in learning much faster. दूसरी चीज जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ये इस सिमुलेशन में या कोई भी चीज हम बार बार करते हैं तो हम उसको एकदम पक्का कर लेते हैं. हम दैट बिकम्स अ टॉप ऑफ द माइंड अवेयरनेस. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं 2 into 2, we can say 4. 3 into 3, it's 9. 17 into 19 में भी कुछ लोग बोलेंगे. 29 into 39 नहीं बता पाएंगे, because we don't remember, we have not practiced it. लेकिन ये अगर हम प्रैक्टिस करने लग जाए, then we will be able to do it very quickly. In the same way, the software helps in practicing different business situations, which helps us in undergoing this difficult times also. जैसे अभी we all are experiencing COVID times, which is very difficult in terms of low demand. अभी जो है challenges काफी हैं, तो इस type के scenarios भी इस simulation में हम कर सकते हैं कि जब pessimistic scenario हो तो कैसे उसको handle किया जाए. Yeah, so there are 4 stages in this. First stage is that participant steps into the shoes of a business leader. Yeah, you will act as a CEO of your company or as a business leader of your company. Virtually you will act and you will take all the decisions and run that business as your own business, where then the software will give the feedback. Third step is about knowing about your progress through the feedback given by the software and the faculties, which will lead to learning, application and transformation. And the fourth stage is very important. This fourth stage will help you in improving yourself, because through that software the results are documented. You can check your history, what has gone right, what has gone wrong, where you have done better, what are your strengths, what are your limitations. Through that analysis you would be able to take the next step in much refined manner, which will lead to improvement in your performance and overall holistic development. So let me ask you this interesting thing. Can you learn swimming without diving in the pool? No, we can't learn swimming without diving in the pool. We need to dive into the pool, then only we can learn swimming. In the same way, we can learn business or management in a better manner if we are able to run our own business and then discuss with our faculties and the facilitators and other peers, because while participating in any activity, the learning is highest. You see here the learning is 100%. Through participation you can learn at maximum, which is 100%, which is much more than reading, hearing, or viewing a video also, because video just give you retention of 40%. But when you learn from doing your own business virtually, or say you are teaching that portion to others, or you are discussing, that will give you the better learning. I hope you are able to understand and listen it. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Yes, sir.
So simulations offer, this business game offers you the opportunity to improve yourself individually, because it will tell you about your strengths. Say somebody might be very good in marketing, but he might not able to analyze the financial aspects. तो इससे क्या होता है कि अगर आप उसको बार बार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे financial aspects को भी, then you will be able to improve that drastically. And personally, I have also experienced that. And then yeah, of course, it also helps in improving the team skills, because ये generally हम एक टीम में करते हैं, जो टीम में हम एक दूसरे से बहुत सीखने का यहाँ पे मौका मिलता है. And then learning by action, because you are acting on it, you are getting the feedback, and then you are further improving onto it. Now I will show you a video here which will tell you how the simulation works. So I'm giving you an example of simulation, and if suppose if you are unable to hear the audio, please let me know. तो मैं यहाँ से चालू करता हूँ इसको.
The award-winning business simulation game, allowing people to set up and run a virtual company.
Sir, audio is coming.
Thank you.
This video has been designed to provide a brief introduction to the simulation. It covers the basics of how the software functions. The introduction screen in the demo version allows you to load a new game. You can give the company a name and choose from a range of settings to make the game more or less challenging. The default settings doesn't prove too great a level of difficulty, so I'm going to leave them as they are for this session. The scenario briefing explains the situation within which you will run your virtual business. You are currently building computers in your spare time to sell to family and friends, but hope to make this a full-time occupation at some stage soon. The next video provides information about the range of help and support you can find in Simventure. Video tutorials, written instructions, and a virtual advisor provide extensive support, all contained within the software. But Simventure is designed to be an active learning resource, and most people prefer to dive in and have a go before doing too much reading. Simventure allows the user to manage their business month by month for up to 36 months. This diagram shows the three-stage process that's repeated throughout the game. So let me show you how that looks in practice. Decisions are made about the tasks that will be completed during the current month. The menu screen provides an overview of the 4 business areas around which the simulation is structured. As you can see, decisions can be made in all major aspects of running a business. There's no limit to the number of decisions I can make in each month. But as with running a real business, the constraints of time, money, and resources will be ever present. Once I've made my decisions, I can click on this button to view the final check screen. This gives me the opportunity to see how my time and money will be used before clicking this button to run the month. My decisions are processed within the simulation, and a range of information is provided for me to evaluate the progress of my business. A key feature of Simvention is the depth and richness of the information that it provides. From financial statements and forecasts to staff skill levels and historical data, the user is provided with every opportunity to make informed decisions and develop increasingly strategic approaches to running their virtual business. Having planned my decisions, run the month, and evaluated the performance of my business, I'm ready to plan my actions for the following month.
So yeah, I hope you have got the introduction of this simulation and very good video, because it is telling you that simulation is a kind of a story. Yeah, here you are a business leader and you need to run your business, and all the resources are there with you in terms of money, in terms of resources, in terms of location, in terms of you can hire more people, you can go full time, because right now you are a part-time entrepreneur in this scenario, in this virtual scenario. And moreover, it gives you the instant feedback, and risk-free environment helps you in experimenting. It helps you in discovering about yourself and also managing the stress situations. So now let's do an activity of segmentation using business simulations. Now segmentation or selecting a target group is very important in any business. In fact, that can be say the first step in starting a business. So I will ask one of the students or the faculties here. That is, my question is, which is targeting important? Is target market important? And can you let me know what is the importance of target market and also how it can help the organization? Yes, Sanyogita or Shivani or Abhimanyu, one of you can speak about the target market. कि targeting अगर आप करते हैं तो उससे फायदा क्या है?
Target market is basically a business generation sector.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you are having a good target, means if the good audience are there, then we can have the big business over there. The probability of business opportunity will be more if the number of person are more.
Also, it helps us in optimizing the utilization of the resources. Very good. Thank you for your sharing. So I have just stopped the sharing, and I'll be sharing you another screen where you will be showing, where we'll be showing you the environmental situation. That is, what kind of target groups are available with you. Because let's do a practical case study of simulation here. एक मैं आपको practical situation दिखा रहा हूँ अभी, जिसमें ये इसी simulation से लिया गया है situation, जिसमें आपको ये research report दिखाई दी जाएगी अभी 1 मिनट के बाद, and then you have to select the right target group for your business. You are into computer hardware business as told in that video कि आप computer hardware का business कर रहे हैं. अब उस business में आपको सही तरीके के कस्टमर्स चाहिए, जैसा अभी बताया उन्होंने. अब कस्टमर्स के लिए यू हैव गॉट सम रिसर्च हैज बीन डन, एंड रिसर्च का कुछ रिपोर्ट अभी आपके सामने मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, जिसमें यू विल नाउ यू हैव टू डिसाइड कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर target group you would be selecting. Yeah, I'll be just sharing the screen. So is the screen viewable? आपको दिख रहे हैं 6 segments हैं available. एक है corporation, then
Yes, sir.
another is engineering company, then third one is solo business.
Solo company.
Yeah. So now I am giving you a minute to all the participants. You can select one target group which you want to sell to, and your product is computer hardware. Right now you are in a computer hardware business. एक बार सब लोग unmute कर लो, या एक बार unmute कर लो, because that is disturbing the listening experience. Yeah, admin team, can you unmute? Can you mute all? एक बार mute कर दीजिए सबको. या एक बार म्यूट कर दो सबको. या नाउ coming to the
Hello.
आ रही आपकी आवाज आ रही है. सच पर म्यूट कर दो.
yeah. Am I audible now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now you have to select a target group which is most profitable for your company. और वो जो आपने सेलेक्ट किया है उसको अपने चैट बॉक्स पे डाल दीजिए कि which target group you have selected and why. Why have you selected? You can tell the one reason behind it. It should be based on the research report which you are seeing from this simulation. So I'm giving you 30 seconds to decide and then we'll discuss. You can put on the chat box. I'll be asking the faculty now that which target group they would be selecting and why. They can give also their views कि target group क्यों important होता है. मैं एक faculty या एक professor से मैं discuss करना चाहता हूँ. They can also guide us. Dr. Pooja or Dr. Yaduveer or Dr. Munish. Any one of the faculties can share their insights.
According to me, ICT business should be there because we are dealing with the hardware sector, and ICT is directly interact with the hardware sector.
Okay, that's a good point. देखिए हर एक segment में there will be some opportunity and some threat. Yeah, anybody else to participate? कोई और वो बताना चाहते हैं?
Hello.
Yes, you can speak.
Sir, in fact, we can target the corporations also because in 10
Yeah.
months, the market size should be 629 and the typical
Okay.
price is also $670. So, in fact, we can target the corporations also.
So what are the opportunities in corporation? Why have you gone for corporation?
In future market, we got the but of you, we got the opportunity for this.
Yeah, we can say the high price is an opportunity because यहाँ पे price realization ज़्यादा है. That is there. Is there any challenge? Corporation market में कोई challenge दिख रहा है?
Performance, good quality.
Yeah, because there is a high expectation by the client.
For the
Client
quality,
के
yes.
yes, client के ज़्यादा expectation है. Right, very well said. So expectation ज़्यादा है. Now each of these target market will have some opportunity and some threat or some barriers. So we need to do SWOT analysis and then we will select a particular target market which suits your strategy, which suits your purpose and which has got right kind of market opportunity also. So
Sir,
I hope, yes.
Sir, I feel that service companies are having a big stake in the future, and that would be the right perspective because everything is going to be connected with the service nowadays.
Yes.
Everyone has to provide the better and better services, and that would be the landmark for everyone. So service companies are futuristic.
Yeah, you have told very clearly about the opportunity. Thank you. इसमें कोई challenge आ रहा है इस segment में? Any challenge which you are facing in this segment?
The service companies, only the thing is that we have to be unique in our offering, because
Yes.
what happens if everyone is copying the same, we cannot differentiate and we cannot offer ourselves, we cannot put ourselves in the better. So that is the important that in the service companies uniqueness and how the value addition, value offer is changing. So we have to be focusing on the value.
Right, and the order size is also very low in terms of corporation. So that's also another challenge.
Right.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now I will move to the next section. This part is clear to everybody. Now I will request the administrator to mute all the participants
Sir.
except me.
Sir,
एक
I
बार
would
सबको
like.
mute.
Hello.
Sir,
हाँ.
Munish sir want to say something, please.
Yes, Munish जी बताइए.
See these 6 type of the sir areas you have shown, sir, and I feel that every market is having its own opportunities and threats. Okay. So if we cannot say that one particular type of target market is better. Every type of the target market is better in some respect, and they are having certain disadvantages also.
Absolutely. बहुत सही तरीके से आपने बताया and it's a real tip to everybody.
हाँ, इसमें मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ सर, बेसिकली कोई इसको ये ना समझे दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ द सेक्टर इज गुड वन एंड दे शुड ऑलवेज सेलेक्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर. ऑल द सेक्टर्स आर equally good, equally important, and every sector is having the its own strength, weakness, opportunities or threats. All the sectors are having all kinds of things.
Absolutely. इसमें ये देखिए अभी हमने ये समझा कि every sector has got its own opportunities and threats. बट यहाँ पे एक और चीज जो हमें हेल्प कर सकती है सिमुलेशन, वो ये है कि वी कैन एक्चुअली take the decision of a particular segment and then further we can take the further marketing actions, that is price, promotion, products design, and then computer will tell you what will be the consequences of those actions. उससे results क्या आएंगे, क्या profit होगा, क्या loss होगा. So you can test your assumptions through that. Now I will be sharing again another slide with you where we'll be doing some more activities. Yes, let's go back to the slide sharing. I'll request the administrator to mute all the participants. एक बार सबको mute कर दीजिए except me.
All are mute, sir. All are mute.
क्योंकि कुछ noise आ रही है background में. या एक बार मैं अपने end पे भी देखता हूँ. आप कम हो गई है noise. ठीक है, thank you. So now I am sharing the slide. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just picking up that presentation. Yeah, so we had a very interesting and interactive discussion on targeting. Thank you all for giving your insights. Now let's move to the next point, which is about in honing our business skills, we need to hone our entrepreneurial spirit. हमारी entrepreneurial spirit हमेशा रहनी चाहिए. And it's not just applicable to business, it's also applicable to our personal lives. अभी entrepreneurial spirit में 3 चीजें बहुत हमें सोचने की हैं. One is we need to be unique. We all are unique, just we need to leverage our own strengths. Yeah, we need to realize our own potential by making our purpose clear and leveraging our own strengths. And this simulation helps you in leveraging your strengths. Now I'm skipping this video because of the paucity of the time. So when I was discussing about being unique, we need to understand, can we change the status quo? Because here, if you see in this game, you are having very less resources. यहाँ पे you are having just say 10 lakh rupees with you, and you need to manage and run this business and make it more profitable. Now under this situation, what will you do so that you can be more profitable? What can be the do's and don'ts? How will you change this status quo? Because right now you are not having any profit. Moreover, you are having limited resources. Now these can be the do's and don'ts of the situation. That is, we need to research in a right manner. Then we need to put the strategy as per our SWOT analysis, जैसे हमने last activity में देखा, and then we need to test our ideas. For first few months, we can take a particular target group and we can take a particular strategy and test it out, whether that is working or not. And then we can go for full launch. And what are the don'ts? Here the don'ts are, we need not have lower level of cash. Right now you are having lower level of cash because you have just started, but then you can always raise the money. Either you can go for government subsidies. अभी देखिए यहाँ पे आत्मनिर्भर पैकेज जो गवर्नमेंट लेके आई है. Let's relate that situation with this scenario also. You can easily see there are certain incentives have been given to business owners and entrepreneurs, and also to the students who want to start up. So वहाँ से they can raise money and then they can increase their cash flows in real life also. Same way we need to avoid high operating cycle, that is working capital. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा हमने कर दिया है अपने बिजनेस में इन्वेस्ट, देन इट कैन लीड टू लिक्विडिटी क्राइसिस. वहाँ हमारी कैश की शॉर्टेज हो सकती है. सो वी नीड टू एड्रेस दैट सिचुएशन आल्सो. एंड द थर्ड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कई बार हम लोग जो है सिर्फ गट फील से डिसाइड करते हैं. वी डोंट सी द रिसर्च रिपोर्ट्स, वी डोंट डिस्कस विद आवर टीम मेंबर्स, and just we straight away jump to the conclusion. So we should avoid that, because otherwise that can lead to huge losses to the business, huge losses to the to your organization. So while in your job situations also, you should always decide on the data part, and then you should check your intuition. You should use both your brains, right brain and left brain. Now the next aspect of entrepreneurial spirit is having fun. In that, yeah, we need to enjoy what we are doing. जैसे आपने थ्री इडियट्स मूवी में देखी होगी, do what you love, love what you do. Same way we need to do what we are doing, and we need to ask ourselves, can we do the same thing in better manner? So right now in this game also there is a happiness quotient, and in this simulation you need to manage your happiness quotient, because managing happiness quotient is a very crucial factor. Or managing the happiness quotient, you need to be efficient, you need to have higher cash flows, you need to have lower stress levels also. Because depression and stress can be really dangerous. It's not just dangerous in business, but in our personal lives also. As we have seen, many successful celebrities, very successful people have not been able to manage this stress, and they have not been able to handle this situation in a right manner. But this simulation will help us in coping stressful situations, because many a times we will be facing stress in this simulation when you would be having low profit, or when you would be having high losses in this game when you would be playing. Then you would be able to handle this stress again and again, which will lead to resilience. You will lead your resilience, your perseverance will enhance. And some tips from my side, that is, how can I increase my efficiency? How can I increase my happiness and reduce the stress? One is we need to train ourselves regularly. We need to upskill ourselves regularly. That's why at BizWiz, we have continuously coming up with a very innovative kind of learning, which can really engage all of us in very quick time, and also engagement level is higher by participating ourselves. Same way, we are also having the course on financial intelligence, which is known as Smart Financial Planning, and we are launching another batch on this 5th of July, which anybody of you can join. The second point is about planning. Now, planning can really lead to better actions, because if plan is not clear, then we won't be able to know where we are going, and that will lead to fruitless actions. That's why planning needs to be in coherence with our actions and with our goals, which will have optimal utilization of the time. Because in this simulation also you need to play every month, virtual month, and you need to manage your time effectively. And then do things in bulk. That is, you need to allocate the time for one particular situation or for one particular work. You should not do multitasking. At one point of time, if you are doing multitasking, then it can lead to a lot of stress and fatigue. क्या आप एक साथ दो जनों से बात कर सकते हैं फोन पे? लाइक दो नेटवर्क एक साथ नहीं ज्वाइन हो सकते, आप एक ही नेटवर्क से कर सकते हैं. So in the same way, you need to do one thing at one point of time, so that monotasking help us. And the third is relocation. Now, relocation is like when you are expanding in this business situation, you are starting from home, work from home. But when you are expanding, you need to have office also, you need to have warehouse also. So all these situations you will experience in this simulation. That's why it helps in learning the execution of the business. Because many times we have very good ideas, but we falter in the execution because we don't know what goes into execution. But here is the tool that helps you in practicing the things again and again, which will lead to better execution. Because I have only last 5 minutes to discuss. So I am coming to the next slide because last 5 minutes I will be keeping it for Q&A. So overall 10 minutes. Let's move to execution. So in this simulation, you have got lot of tools which helps you in execution. So this is an overview screen. If you are seeing here, am I audible to all of you? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Can
sir.
you? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, so
Okay. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So here you are able to see there are 4 aspects of the business which you have also studied in your graduation or in your undergraduation, which is finance, organization, operations, and also about the other aspects of the business. Now here we need to understand that what is the marketing decision I have taken as of now and what decisions have to be taken further. So this snapshot you can gather through the screen in the simulation, which will tell you about the status that you are having in the business. So what you need to cover while starting your business or while running your own business or if you are into a managerial position. In this simulation also mirror those situations. Like you need to tackle the research part, you need to also do the marketing in terms of pricing, the product design, financial part, raising the money, then recruiting right kind of people, managing your time, all these things are being covered. And we say it as a business model. You might have studied this model, business model canvas by the famous guru. Now, this model is really helpful because in terms of model, this explains what kind of steps we need to take. And the same steps we can take in that simulation which I was discussing. That is how much revenue you would be having. So you can decide a price. Same way you can decide a cost structure, variable cost, fixed costs. So all these things will help us in having right kind of business model and understanding how business model can be developed and sustained because business model needs to be innovated gradually and continuously. Even if you are doing a job in any company or you are running your own company, in both the situations, you need to have the clarity of business model and you need to reinvent continuously like Apple is doing reinvention. It came up with Apple Mac earlier, then it launched iPod, then after that it launched, we all know iPhone, and every year it is launching newer versions of iPhone, newer versions of its software and other allied accessories it is launching. So it is reinventing. In the same way, we need to reinvent our business model and ourselves regularly. So this simulation helps you in becoming a new entrepreneur or an intrapreneur. And it also helps in problem solving. As I discussed, in this simulation, you will be facing different situations, which will enhance your application of data, which will also enhance your IT aspect, your communication. Self-management is also enhanced because here you need to decide when to go full time, how much time you have to allocate for that particular activity. All these things will help us in improving our management of time and priorities. So now I want to, at the end, I want to share a story with you. Here, this story is about a baby who struggled to survive as he had a premature birth. And you know, till age 5, he didn't have any salt as he was suffering from severe disease. but now he is leadership and simulation coach. And in 9th class, actually he failed in maths exam. But he has achieved this financial freedom by upskilling himself regularly, by applying these innovative pedagogies regularly. And this is a story of myself, because when I, as a person who very simple person, can upgrade and can achieve financial freedom, all of you are having huge potential. You can do much more. And many institutes are using our programs and simulations. So we have got different offerings, like we help in enhancing your business modeling. We also help you in business strategy program, train the trainers, we train faculties also into this. So all these programs are being used by millions of people because we are certified by LMI, Leadership Management International. And this batch we are starting on the 4th July. I'll share the details with all of you on the chat box also. You can see that. Now I'll also take your questions, because now my presentation is over. It's a time for question and answers. Before that, I will like to read a quote. Now this quote is very interesting. A mere trickle of tiny drops of water can fill the power, can fill the picture. The same way we must keep on collecting knowledge, dharma and money. Because if we improve 1% every day, then it will lead to 365% improvement in a year. So this is the power of 1% improvement every day, power of this light edge. This light edge makes a lot of difference. Though there is very small difference in the effort, but huge difference in the result. The same way we need to work onto ourselves. So these are our contact details and email ID. If any queries, you can connect with us. Now I'll write to the moderator. She can take certain questions. Yes.
Yes. Please ask the questions.
Hello Rahul ji, this is Yogesh Chandar from Dr.
Hi,
Khlesta Gupta Institute of Technology and Management. Am I audible?
Yes, Yogesh ji, आप audible हैं.
Yes. So what I've seen is this business simulation games and management simulation games. These two words are being used interchangeably.
Yes.
We know whether there's difference in these two. If it is, what is that?
No, these two are same actually. Because it helps in business skills and also helps in the managerial and leadership skills.
So they are saying there is no difference.
So I will say the game right now it is a similar concept. So we are using business game or management game. These are there to hone our skills. So broadly, you can take it as same.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you, Yogesh ji. It's really nice watching you and listening you again.
When I came to know your program is coming on, so I was very anxious too.
Okay. So how was the workshop, sir? कैसा आपको experience?
Very good. You will come to know from my feedback. It is quite educative for the students, and I have seen many students are watching it and they are interacting also actively. Thanks to the college institution also for arranging this such a good program for the students, and I think it is very beneficial and it is required need of the day.
Thanks a lot. मैंने आपके साथ दो लिंक शेयर किए हैं. एक तो YouTube का लिंक है हमारे जिसमें हम लोग रेगुलरली अपडेट्स करते हैं अबाउट द लर्निंग. तो मैं एक बार दोबारा से वो शेयर कर रहा हूँ, तो वो आपको काफी हेल्प करेगा. और जिसको
I am waiting for feedback link also, so that I can send feedback to the college.
मैं अपना फीडबैक लिंक भी एक हमने भी बनाया. मैं एक बार आपसे सबसे शेयर कर रहा हूँ फीडबैक लिंक. जो लोग फीडबैक देंगे, आई विल बी सेंडिंग 1,000 रुपीज गिफ्ट इन फॉर्म ऑफ फ्री बेसिक वर्जन ऑफ दिस सिमुलेशन. आई विल बी गिविंग देम फ्री फॉर 6 months. तो एक फ्री गिफ्ट है मेरी तरफ से सब लोगों को.
Hello.
So I request all the students, being a teacher, I request all the students who are watching this program must give you feedback, because simulation is such a thing, it is need of the day for, especially for making decisions in the highly volatile environment.
Thank you, Jugesh ji.
Very helpful in taking decisions. That's
So
what it is for modern managers.
Thanks a lot. So I'll now take the next question.
Hello.
Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. I am having one small question.
Yes.
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah. Can you introduce yourself, sir?
I am Dr. Munish Tiwari, sir.
हाँ जी. Yes, yes, मुनीश जी बताइए.
सर बस एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है कि बिजनेस सिमुलेशन is it basically some kind of the software which even the professors can also use it, and they can tell to the students that when they will become the entrepreneur, then they can use this kind of business simulator, and they can decide upon their business that what kind of decision they should take upon it.
Yeah, of course. That's a very good question. Now, absolutely, this is a tool should be used by the faculties, trainers, coaches. ये tool use करेंगे, they can impart this engagement, student engagement in a better manner. और हम भी उसकी ट्रेनिंग कराते हैं फैकल्टीज को, जिसमें हमारी ट्रेनिंग ऐसा नहीं है कि हम एक ही दिन में कराते हैं. वी हैंडल इट थ्रू आउट द सेमेस्टर. एक्चुअली शुरू में हम हाफ डे की 2 से 3 घंटे ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग कराते हैं. जब एक बार ट्रेनर जो है वो स्टूडेंट्स को इम्पार्ट करते हैं वो सिमुलेशन, एंड देन आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो आफ्टर द फर्स्ट सेशन वी अगेन हैव अ ट्रेनिंग सेशन, so that we can give them a debrief and feedback to them, so that they can improve their participation and engagement with the students. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you so much. Is there any more query to be asked to the Rahul sir? Okay. So I really find a very interactive session here, and it's a very motivating because he had given us so many tips relating to the entrepreneurship, and that enlighten us in so many ways. It gives me immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks to this event. Thank you, Rahul sir, for sharing your precious time and valuable learning through your session. I hope the students as well as faculty.
Ma'am, one more questions. Hello.
Fine.
Yeah,
You
yes, we
please
can
carry
take a
on.
question.
Yeah, you please carry on with your question.
Ma'am, sir, mera one more question. I'm Sayogita. Ma'am, how is your brand doing compared to our competitor?
Rahul sir, over to you.
Yeah, can you repeat your question,
Yes,
Sayogita?
sir. How is our brand compared to our competitors?
मतलब आप ये पूछना चाह रहे हैं कि how do we compare our brand performance with the
Brand with
competitors'
competitors. Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
so
sir.
there
ये
are
brand to
different.
competitors से कैसे compare?
Yeah, so there are different ways of comparing the performance of the brand with the competitor. The one of the way can be market share. How much market share you are having in that particular target market vis-a-vis competitor. For example, अगर हम गाड़ियों की बात करें, तो suppose there is a Maruti and then there is Hyundai. We can see which brand is having higher market share. तो अगर जिस ब्रांड का मार्केट शेयर ज्यादा होगा, अभी मारुति का ज्यादा मार्केट शेयर है, तो इट मीन मारुति इज डूइंग बेटर. बट देन द सेकंड पैरामीटर इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हिच इज द ग्रोथ. इफ द Hyundai इज ग्रोइंग हायर, देन वी कैन से कि फ्यूचर में Hyundai का मार्केट शेयर ज्यादा हो सकता है. So we should not only see the market share but also see the growth in the market share. Third can be the profitability. The profitability part क्या है? How much margin my brand is earning and how much margin the company and other competitors are earning. So if my profitability is lower than the competitor, it means I have to work on to myself and I have to improve my performance to improve the profitability of the organization. Then customer satisfaction can also be another criteria. कि what kind of customer rating is there. कई बार हम लोग देखते हैं कोई रेस्टोरेंट, अभी तो हम लोग नहीं जा रहे हैं रेस्टोरेंट, पर जब जाते थे तब हम पहले जोमेटो में या उसमें हम पहले रिव्यू देखते थे then only we go to that
Rating.
particular restaurant. So ratings देख सकते हैं, जैसे
Rating.
online आप shopping करते हैं तो you check the rating of the vendor or rating of that particular product. That helps us in comparing. Yes. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Sir, this is Lalit from Mangal Mein.
Yes, Lalit, बताइए.
Sir, same company, नहीं sir, different companies sell same the product in the market and the same rate, and the both company review is good, but the one company sale is high and the other company sale is low. So how can I handle and manage the to sale?
Yeah, very good question, Lalit. Now, this can be a situation. Suppose you are a startup and there are already existing organizations which are having huge market share, though you might be providing better service. So, in these situations, you need to keep on doing the differentiation. You need to become more better and better so that customer can get attracted towards your offering. जैसे Apple iPhone जब launch हुआ था, it
Yes, sir.
actually changed the market altogether. Earlier, the companies like BlackBerry and Nokia were the leaders. लेकिन
Yes, sir.
iPhone जो उस समय था भी नहीं. But then when iPhone was launched, it was a totally unique experience to the users, which actually improved the market share. So you need to bring the unique improvement, unique experience to the user. एक और example देता हूँ Jio का. When Jio was launched, Jio had a negligible market share. Airtel and Vodafone were the top two players. But अभी देख लीजिए, Jio has become the largest player in the telecom because it is been able to provide unique offerings at a very less rate. So यहाँ पे आपको either you have to go for very unique offering or you have to go for very low price or something different you have to put. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Any other question from any candidate? Any participant want to ask something?
I have put in my number and email ID, so if you have any further queries, you can message or email me. I'll be happy to address all your queries. Yes, thank you.
Any other queries? I'm repeating once again. Any other queries to of anyone? Whether they are the faculty or the students? So I summed up the session now. Now I would like to thank you, sir. Thank you, Rahul sir, once again for sparing your precious time and giving us the valuable learning through your session. I hope our students as well as faculty has been benefited with your valuable sharing. I would like to thank Dr. Tushar Kanti also, who is the Director of Management, because without him this event cannot be possible. Thank you, our technical team, Mr. Yaduvi sir, Mr. Ankit, Mr. Sushil Maurya, Mr. Omend, Mr. Naval, who had supported us for the technical assistance for the admin department. I also would like to pay thanks to the Harish Bhatia, who is the Dean MIEET. Last but not least, our participants, faculty and students who joined throughout the session, throughout the webinar. So thank you everyone from my bottom of heart for being with me. Thank you so much, and for your further, yeah.
Thank you, Mangal. Thank you, Anshu ji. Thank you, entire IT team. Thank you, Tushar ji, and thank you to the students and faculty and the participants who have interactively participated.
Right. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, you can mail to the Rahul sir have shared with you the ID as well as their phone number, so you can ask directly to him, or either if you are not able to find them, then you can send on the mail ID that has been given, that has been sent to you. I'll further request to the Rahul sir to take up your queries, and please fill up your feedback form so that we could come to know that how the session was benefiting you. And definitely we would like to continue with the Rahul sir. When the COVID would be over, physically he would be with us. So thank you once again, Rahul sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Madam, will you be sending feedback forms by mail?
Yes, we will do it. We will do it. But I also shared the feedback link in the chat box also, sir.
Kindly send it to
Yeah, I'll
Send it.
send it mail through mail also, sir. No
Thank you. Thank you. Right.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, bye. Take care. Yeah.
Yeah, take care. Be happy and safe at your home.